everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really quick thrift haul. Went out searching for baskets for my gallery wall that I want to put in my kitchen. So found some, not much, but yeah. Let's get to this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Things that I got, and this was at a Salvation Army. They had these, which are just regular ones. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these on my wall gallery, but I just got them in case I need to use them like a filler. So, so I got these. And the next one I got in the same place was this one with the cute handle. I thought it was super cute. So, that's going to go up on my gallery wall. So, yeah, I believe this was also under $1. So, I got this two at the same place I got the other two. And that's going to go on my wall. Next one that I found, I also found this one. And I think it's perfect because it's a different color. I'm trying to find different colors. I found this one. So this one is going to go up on my wall. I believe I found this at a Goodwill. I'm not sure because they're all mixed. So, sorry about the mixture. But, yeah, this one was also under $1. So, I got this too. And that's going to go up on my wall. I also picked up this one. And this was at a Goodwill. Oh, it was kind of cute. And this one also was under $1. Yeah, we're starting off good. But I do want to get bigger ones. I have not found bigger ones yet. So I'm on the lookout for that. Also at the Goodwill, I found a basket. I thought it was really cute. It is damaged right here. But I think I'm going to put one of my plants in here. It's in a pot already. But I thought it was really cute. And he did give me a discount on this. So it was like maybe 25 cents or something. So I thought it was really cute. And I'm going to put one of my pots. One of my cactus. Okay, so also I found this wooden paddle. It's not a board or anything. It's just a decorative piece. But I think I'm going to stain it. A darker stain. And this was from the Goodwill. This was $1.99. But I really like the detail on it. And I think I'm going to put this up on my kitchen. So, that's going to go up there. I got that. I thought it was really pretty. And it doesn't, I need to put something to hang it with. So, it doesn't have a, oh, it has like a little hole right here. But, yeah, I thought it was really cute. So, that's going to go at the Goodwill. And then next, was this basket pot holder. Because it has, or it could be a trash can, but I'm going to use it as a pot holder from one of my plants. And it has the plastic lining. And this was also a Goodwill. Savers, did I find anything at Savers? Oh, yes, I did. Yeah, I did. And, yeah, I thought it was cute. So this was also under $1. So I'm going to put a plant on there. And let me see. I also found this cute little basket bag or purse or little box. I don't know what you call it, but I thought it was super cute. This was $1.99, and this was from the Goodwill. I thought it was really cute. I'm not sure what I'll do with it, but I could store my scrap stuff in there, my craft stuff. So, I have that. I thought it was really cute. And it's in town, so found this really cute thing at the Goodwill. I thought it was really cute. And this was a little bit more. This was $2.99. But I really thought it was pretty. Put a little flower in there. This might go in my kitchen. I'm thinking my kitchen or my bathroom area. But I want to try to clean it. It's a little dirty. But yeah, this was really cute. I thought it was super cute. So I got that. Okay, and also picked up this one. I'm not sure if this one's gonna go up, but I have quite a few other ones that I could put up there on my gallery wall. So I picked it up. It was I don't know, I think it was under a dollar something. I don't remember where I picked it up from, but I think it was the Salvation Army. But yeah, it's got to be cleaned up. So I got that. The last thing I got was these wooden dishes. They sold the set. I think it was $2.99 for the set. I thought they were really cute. You can use them for just about anything. But I thought they were super cute as little trinket trays. So I got those. Alright, you guys, that's going to do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this small haul. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, leave them down below. And I will see you guys next time. Hope you guys have a great day.